It feels so good to own something and honestly start with the least amount of money. Now, come on, we already know this. In order to make sales, you need to earn trust. And there's no better way to do that than digital presence, okay? Your online presence gives you the opportunity to set a narrative of who you are and set you apart from the competition.
Hi guys, how are you all doing? How are you all doing? If you're new to this channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria Nzedive. This is your girl Vicky Baby Loke. If you're my returning subscriber, you know as they go now. Waiting they happen, nothing they. In this video today, I will be sharing what the next processes are after registering that business. Truth is, after registering your business, you start paying tax. So why not go through your next steps and start that business already? Sit back, enjoy, and relax. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into it.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along.
Before I start naming this list I've written down for your consumption, I want to just say this, a little disclosure. These steps here are not gotten from anywhere. These are the things I did while starting my business. Like I already told you guys on this channel, I am a business owner. I will be giving you the steps I took and currently am taking to starting my business after registration. You definitely want to watch till the end of this video. And I'm going to be incorporating the beautiful artist we have as a father in this video, just so you can see how God plays a very important part in everything you do. The first thing you should do after registering your business is to find a suitable website you know will be the best for that business, okay? If you've not already gotten your domain at this point, then you should do so. I expect that before you register your business, you already have a name. Whatever state you're registering your business in, make sure that your business name, that LLC or sole proprietorship or DBA, whatever business you're doing, is registered well. LegalZoom, Inkfile. I use Inkfile because listen, I think they are good and they expedite your registration. So many of them, if you Google, that can help you register your business. But before you want to register your business, you have to make sure that that name is available in the state where you want to register your business. And make sure you already got a domain, because you don't want to pick a name and use a different name for your domain. You see what I mean? What I would normally do is, after I've chosen my name, I make sure that my domain is available before I go ahead to also check if that name is available in the state wherever I want to register my business, and then use Inkfile to register that business. You can always buy a different website host and transfer your website to that web host. When you've done your research and you've checked out the website host that will be suitable for your website, the next thing you want to do is, before paying or subscribing to a plan on that website, use as your canvas. They give you a template on any website host you want to use. For my business, I'm using WordPress, and that is basically you building your website from the scratch and giving it the design you want, etc. I would normally recommend Wix, Namecheap, Big Cartel. Those ones are cheaper. Start practicing the vision you have for that website on that canvas. I like to call it a canvas because you have a template there. All you have to simply do is edit, choose, pick out colors, change fonts, do whatever you want to do. You'll be surprised to know that you are an incredible artist, because guess what? We have an amazing God. Look at everything He created around us. Just check it out. God is so amazing and His power lives in us. You are that artist in the making. You are that artist that is yet to be identified. So use that canvas, explore it, take note of what your competition is doing. Use different color fonts, change background, okay? Make use of the pictures and videos on that template. Or if you do not have time to dedicate towards using the template, then just hire somebody to build your website for you. When you push yourself towards doing something, you'll be surprised the level of the things you can accomplish. I'm not somebody that woke up one morning and said, I want to learn how to build a website. Building a website came from first joining the YouTube family, learning how to edit. I got familiar with the terminologies, and then when I started building my website, when I see things like thumbnails, banners, I understood that. I'm just going to leave my website on the screen to just show you what my website looks like. You can make yours. You can do anything to yours. We have an amazing God that getting close to him is dependent on your belief. You don't have to see before believing him. You just believe blindly. When you believe in God, it means you believe in what he can do, the reasons he created you for. That means you can do and accomplish amazing things with God. You know that your mission and vision statement, this is where it comes in. This is basically telling us your motto, who you are, what you believe in, why we should buy from you, who you're selling to, and what you intend to sell. Your mission and vision statement should contain everything you're selling. I'm going to show you my Hair-Thentic mission and vision statement so that you can just see what it is. Having a mission and vision statement kind of tells you and guides you to what you want to do on that website. Get pictures and make memories. Whatever platform you choose to sell your business on after registration, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, anywhere you decide to sell your business, you always need pictures. Website is not left out. We need pictures. We need to be able to see videos of people using that product. We need to know how to use it. So that is why you need pictures. You need to add pictures of your product. If possible, add a 10 seconds video of somebody actually using that product so that somebody can see it is exactly what you are selling on your website. The more clearer your picture is, the more people are likely to buy from you. So you definitely want to put that in mind. By now, you should have a reliable vendor, and if you do not have, then you ought to start looking for a reliable vendor who can supply you all the products you need. For me, I never stop looking for reliable vendors. I have vendors now, but I'm still looking for that one that I can call up tomorrow and say, hey, I need you to ship this product to me next day, and they are able to do that because I need to satisfy my consumers. So it's always good to have a reliable vendor, which is where I come in. If you're somebody you don't have a vendor right now, then contact me. I help small businesses start their beauty line, so I can definitely hook you up with a reliable vendor, or you can order my products because, like I've said before, I sell genuine human hair, lashes, lip gloss, makeup. I sell a bunch of stuff. So definitely comment below if you're trying to get together with me. Compliance and non-disclosures. Now, after adding pictures, adding videos, making that website look professional as you can, you definitely want to add your compliances and non-disclosure. What are your non-disclosure agreements? You need to let them know your refund policy, your shipping policy. If they're ordering today and paying today, they're receiving their products in within 3 to 5 days, within 3 to 7 days. It has to be in your shipping policy. What is your return policy? Are people able to return their products? Do you give refunds? You should designate a page for your non-disclosures, your refund policy, your shipping policy, your return policy, and all of that. One thing I like to add on the website is also FAQs, frequently asked questions. It's always good to have that because somebody might simply just ask you, how do I use your magnetic lashes? And my FAQ should be able to answer it to that person without having them contact customer support or calling me. To keep the video short, precise, and informative, we're going to be ending this video here, but definitely stay tuned for chapter 2. Where I'll be giving you more tips on what to do next after registering your business. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. I would like to know I can make more videos like this. And do not forget to subscribe to your girl channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.